Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Finally, this is fully exposed. First look at the Sony Xperia 1 Mark-7. The new upcoming anticipated camera flagship revealed its design, launch date, and smartphone characteristics. According to the latest available data, the new Sony Xperia 1 Mark-7 was fully declassified before the official release. A very reliable tech insider leaked specifications and high-quality image renders of the new 2025 flagship. Sony Xperia 1 VII will continue to look familiar, but with upgraded display and cameras. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. A very reliable tech insider on X named OnLeaks, together with Expert Pic, revealed the phone specifications and published renders of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark-7 device. The new phone still retains the signature design that has been passed down through generations. This time, only minor changes have been made to the details, such as the flash being moved to the bottom. The front panel features a 6.5-inch OLED display without holes, something Sony has always insisted on. It still has the same 19.5:9 aspect ratio as the previous generation Xperia phone. It's worth noting that the resolution has returned to the traditional 4K. However, it will support a maximum refresh rate of 120 Hz. Sony dropped support for a 4K display in the previous generation Xperia 1 Mark-6 because the 4K panel did not support dynamic refresh rates and could only run at 60 Hz or 120 Hz, which was too power-hungry. Sony may have now addressed this issue. Sony Xperia 1 Mark-7 will be equipped with the most powerful Snapdragon 8 Extreme Edition chip from Qualcomm, 12 or 16 GB of RAM, and 256 or 512 GB of internal flash memory. The new Sony Xperia 1 Mark-7 will be equipped with a 5000 mAh battery that supports 30-watt fast charging. The cameras include a 12-megapixel front camera and a triple main rear camera setup, which includes a 48-megapixel main camera with optical stabilization, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 12-megapixel periscope camera with a 70 to 200 mm zoom. The audio headphone jack will also remain. The phone is also expected to ship with Android 15 out of the box, with Sony's Xperia UI on top. According to the latest reports, in May 2025, Sony will present its new flagship smartphone Xperia 1 Mark-7 Super Camera Flagship Beast. So, if these rumors turn out to be true, will the Sony Xperia 1 VII be enough to satisfy all of you Xperia fans out there? Please let us know in the comment section. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.